Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Verizon application on your PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in Download Verizon app on PC and click on the first link of verizon.com. Here you can see an article like this. Now click on the first link, which is here. You will see a download button here. Click on it. Your download will be started. After the download is completed, you need to click on the setup file here. Now click on next button. Again click on next. After the installation is completed, click on Finish button and you can find the application here. Click on it to use the application. So that is how you can download Verizon application on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.